Guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your connection list on LinkedIn. So for this, you have to go first on your LinkedIn account, then go for your profile icon over here. Just click on this arrow and go for settings and privacy. Okay. After that, when you are in this page, you have to go for visibility option here in this list. And you can see there is a connection option here. Just click on this arrow and you have to just turn it off and go for back. So it's off now. So this is how you can hide your connection list on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.